Wasn't that a great time? Hope you're still there. Hope you took the whole weekend to be there. Ford Carlisle Nationals in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. What a good time. I was there. First time I was ever there. I enjoyed it. I can't wait to go back. I'm almost tempted to go back tomorrow. I'm gonna dig out. Well, the reason I went down is because I got myself another GTA code. It needs to be, well, needs attention. Needs to work. Needs to be worked on. So, I think what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna drag this puppy over to the shop. I haven't even, I heard about it. I jumped in my truck. I drove about an hour away and stopped at the bank, of course, on my way, and came home last Sunday with this. And I said, well, gee whiz, I guess I better get down to Carlisle, see if I can't buy any spare parts. There's a couple big things missing on her. So, but I think we're in good shape now. But we're gonna bring her over to the shop and see what's up a little bit closer, and see what else we might need for it. But let me cut you loose and hook this up to the truck and go. We got her hooked up to the Power Stroke, and so let's see here. Maybe we should get our camera turned around so you don't have to see my dice. Oh, she's turned around. Whew. I'll try to keep it still. I know how you guys get nervous when I get shaky. Think it's all coming apart. It's coming apart at the seams. Hold on, she's coming apart. No, she already came apart. We're gonna put her back together. Somebody else got her apart, and she's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Bias plies. Huh. I must probably spare tire. She's an A code. She's an A code right there. GT. You want to see what else? Oh yeah. Oh, are you upside down? What else can we show you? See these? Ooh, Stamperoonies. Big GT Stamperoonies. Very interesting. Got parts all over the place for this thing. Sorry to get on your head. Engine blocks. I'm not going to tell you what's under there yet. Stuff. Whole car. Yeah. So there she is. There she be. Well, let's see what's in. We'll get her back over to the shop. That's her. Talk to you folks later. We managed to get it all cleaned up and figured out, sorted out. Really would love to go back to the Ford Carlisle Nationals tomorrow and see if I can find some more items, but I think we'll just do just as fine online, honestly. But yeah, got a few things here. Maybe we should get around in the sunshine. Looks like we got a couple of rear quarter sections, 4 fenders, 3 motors, a T10. It's like almost two sets of interior coverings. Got enough seat parts probably to make 2 seats. Looks like we got the original passenger seat, the original driver's seat frame, and then some kind of replacement seat. Got an old back bumper. We got a new back bumper. Got some junk heads. We've got some fancy dancy spinner hubcaps. We've got a wood grain steering wheel. We do have a fog light switch on the other side there. We've got the makings of a Mustang, I guess. Shouldn't take too long to put her back together. Get her looking sharp. Yeah, I should have bought one of those heater boxes. This heater box got a crack in the bottom of it. But they're pricey down there. I think they were asking $250 for a heater box. So, but yeah, she did come with both her original fenders. She's got all of her original fenders. She's got her original cowls. She's got she's got all of her original parts. So we're gonna see what we can do with that and go from there. But anyways, this is it. Welcome to my shop. Welcome to my next project. Well, my truck's a project too. I got to get those doors back on her. I got that touched up over just before Thursday. We touched her up and got to throw the doors back on her. And yeah, so plenty of projects, plenty of Mustangs, and plenty of work to do. So we'll catch you on the next one. Hope you're watching, subscribing. That's real important. Yeah. Thank you very much. Bye.